What is up, my fellow budget travelers? Today I'm coming at you from the Red Rocks Hotel and Casino and Spa in Las Vegas. And you know your girl loves a nice robe, so my Red Rocks stay here felt like I was in the spa even though I was just in the hotel room. This trip we were driving, so we took advantage of the free valet here and had them check our car. And as we came in, we were a little bit early, so we weren't able to quite check in yet. Check-in here is at 3 o'clock, which is kind of standard for most hotels in Las Vegas. So then we went and explored, and these chandeliers blew me away. I have to do a full tour of this place because it's amazing, so stay tuned for that video. But for now, check out this amazing chandelier. This is what greets you as soon as you walk in. As you head up to the room, there are a few different kinds of elevators to keep an eye out for. So some of them only go certain levels, other ones only go to the pool. So just keep that in mind as you're looking for which hotel tower to go to. I actually really like that they have a separate elevator for the pool area because you can just go down in your cover up and whatever. You don't have to walk through the casino. Some of the hotels in Las Vegas, you have to walk through the casino to get to the pool. So I really appreciated that they made everything separate here. Just like in the name, you're going to see red rock everywhere. The color red is everywhere, which I kind of thought was cool actually because it reminds you that the mountains are surrounding you, and any window that you look out of, you'll be able to see the mountains. So I'll leave a little montage at the end because they are really pretty. But I also loved all the pretty light fixtures. You're going to see these throughout the Red Rocks, in the restaurants and in the casino also. And even the walls that are across from where you go into your room, they even have kind of like a rocky texture to them too. So we were in room 17142, and unlike most hotels that have like that sign that you put on your door handle, this one actually has a light that you push. So as you can see, it's do not disturb or come and clean the room kind of thing. And then here's the light on the other side, so it'll be red if you don't need anything in the room. It'll be green. They have a deadbolt as well as the pullover lock. Our room was a 2-queen canyon view room, and we actually had really nice views of the canyons. The TV will have a greeting on it as you enter the room, but this is the most important part, guys. Anything you see on this shelf minus that water on the left, you're going to have to pay for. So if you move it, they will charge you for it. These are the prices. The same thing goes for the refrigerator, and the refrigerator is stocked, so you do not have a refrigerator in this room. It is just a mini bar. So keep that in mind because if you bring leftovers home, there's nowhere to put them. We put our leftovers on ice, but look how packed this is. Like, they stocked it to the max. And so just remember, don't touch any of that stuff because you will be charged. They have this little secluded area over here to be used as a desk. And then check out these beds. They were some of the most comfortable beds I've ever had in Vegas, honestly. Like, they were so comfortable. I just sank right into them. That you do not want to get up once you're in bed. The pillows are also really comfortable. They're really malleable. They're not like hard or anything. They're real fluffy. And then you get a sheet and a fluffy white comforter also. I also like that they don't have any decorative pillows. You get 4 big fluffy pillows that you can use to sleep with. I mean, look how big and fluffy these things are. I was obsessed. Moving on to the lights, there was a lot of lighting in this room. They had little reading lights. They also had overhead lights. The only lamp in the room was over by the window. Otherwise, everything is all overhead. There is a bench at the end of each bed. And then moving over to the window, these chairs were so comfortable, guys. They were like, you could just kind of cuddle up in them. And our view had a view of the pool. This pool is massive. And then here are the Red Rocks in the background. It's really pretty to see them when you first wake up in the morning, and then as the sun is going down on them. They definitely change color, but you will see a lot of the red as the majority of the color of them. Now let's go check out the spa of a bathroom. This thing was massive. It is all in marble, and it's white marble, so it feels real classy inside. It has a huge shower, huge tub. It has 2 different sinks, plenty of space for you to spread out on the sink. These are some of the products that they have there. And in here, they've got some things maybe you forgot, like Q-tips and stuff like that. The sinks are really deep. They have like a spa-like quality to them. For towels, you'll see them spread all over the room. They do have a hair dryer here. I love that this room also comes with robes. You know I love a good robe. And the shower itself has really good water pressure. And it's also really spacious. Like you don't have to worry about banging your head on anything or elbowing the walls. The toilet has its own door. It's a sliding door. It also has its own phone in case you need to make any important phone calls while you're in there. Then check out this tub, guys. It is so big. Like, mind you, I'm also in my robe on top of this. So it is so big and long. You can just, once you're in there, honestly, you're not going to want to get out. I basically lived in this robe anytime I was in the room. So moving back over there, there is one door that opens. So the toilet has its own door, and then you also have your own separate door for the bathroom. And then moving over to the closet, again, you've got plenty of space here. There's plenty of hangers, and they're all removable hangers. So you know we love a removable hanger because then you can put them anywhere in the room. They've also got a safe in here, and the safe was pretty decently sized. It's about as wide as my hand, and you can probably fit a computer, a laptop in there. And they've got the ironing board and an iron in there, as well as 2 luggage racks. And that's gonna pretty much wrap up this room in this video, but make sure you hit that subscribe and wait for the next video because I'm going to give you a whole tour of what the Red Rock Hotel and Casino has to offer. They've got so much stuff here. They've got a whole big pool. It's like a massive complex. So I'll give you a full tour of that. I'll also talk about the casino. I'll talk about some of the different restaurants and things that they have there, as well as the entertainment. They've actually got their own version of a nightclub that will go out into the pool at night. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. But if you like this one, make sure you hit that like because it will help other people find me in the algorithm that are looking for content like this. And to end this video, I do want to show you the Red Rocks because they are so pretty. So I just want to give you a taste of some of the views you're going to see on your trip. They're also always cleaning the windows, so if you hear a weird noise outside your hotel room, it's probably them cleaning the window, so make sure you close those drapes. Thanks again for watching, and here is the next video YouTube thinks you will like the most.